So, it looks like Insta360 is getting ready for an imminent global rollout of both the Luna Ultra and Luna Pro. While official pre-orders still haven't gone live on Insta360's global store, multiple regional reservation programs are already active, and that's usually a pretty strong sign that we're talking days rather than weeks before the official launch. Blind pre-orders first opened in China on May 18th, and reports suggest demand has been extremely strong. Early buyers are being promised first batch shipping in June, along with a few exclusive bonuses, including a limited edition collectible card. One of the more notable developments over the past week has been the appearance of European reservations through German camera retailer Photo Erhardt. Buyers can place a €50 deposit, which is deducted from the final purchase price and secures priority shipping. Deliveries are reportedly expected around late June if launch timing stays on track. So all things considered, the wait shouldn't be much longer. And if you remember the Luna Pro, yeah, we haven't really discussed it much, but now that the leaked image has been circulating for a few days, let's take a closer look at what this camera is all about. Based on leaks, the Luna Pro features a sleek single-lens design housed in an ultra-compact body. It looks noticeably different from the Luna Ultra, which packs a dual-camera system. Together, both cameras stand out as strong alternatives to DJI's Pocket 4 series, including the still unreleased Pocket 4P. As for specifications, you can expect the Luna Pro to inherit most of what makes the Luna Ultra so impressive. Current information points to a 1-inch Leica co-engineered sensor paired with a bright f1.8 lens, support for 10-bit iLog recording, up to 14 stops of dynamic range, advanced AI tracking, professional color profiles, and the same detachable touchscreen controller that, based on everything we've seen so far, won't be exclusive to the Ultra model. The biggest compromise appears to be the absence of the Ultra's secondary telephoto camera. That's really the main difference. So if optical zoom isn't high on your priority list, the Luna Pro could end up being the sweet spot of the entire lineup, offering flagship-level image quality in a simpler, more compact package aimed directly at vloggers and everyday creators. We've already covered the Luna Ultra's impressive specs in much greater detail, so if you want the full breakdown on the flagship model, be sure to check out our previous videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.